Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be touring a villa.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Let me just start by that. And when you come in, you see the most beautiful space ever, and to your left you see the dining table. It is so spacious. I love the fact that it is so spacious. Like, have you ever eaten in like a cubicle before? But not here. This is how the dining area looks like. We come over to this really long as beautiful corridor. This corridor is so long and it leads us to the maid's room. Is over here. We'll check that out later, but we are going into the kitchen right now. Here is the kitchen. This is a very simple and modern kitchen.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back.
I love the fact that it has like, she likes it like a mini dining here, but then again I love the gold and white vibes going on in this kitchen. Like, everything is just like gold and white, the cabinets and all that, the switch and everything. And I love, guys, they have like this beautiful lighting system going on here that could just, you know, when you put it on, you can like display the cutleries more. And over here is the microwave, and over here is the fridge, freezer and all of that. This kitchen is a kitchen. There are kitchens and there are kitchens, but this is a kitchen. So after that we live there, and you guys should just keep following me like that, and we come into the living room. This living area is so huge and so beautiful. I love the fact that everything is simple. Like, no matter how beautiful this villa is, they tried so much to make everything really simple. It has different color of sofa here and another color of sofa here and all that, and it has this beautiful chandelier. If I don't want to open it up because I'm still going to show you guys what outside looks like, and I don't want to like reveal it, but the whole curtains like this covers the view that you can see. So what am I trying to say is that even when you are in the living room, you can just decide to open up the curtain and you get to see the views, the beach view. So leaving the living room, the living area, we come into another room, which is the game room. Yes, they have like a legit game room. So basically you can play games with your family and your friends here, and over here we have like board games going on. Also has like a sitting area where you could just also chill in case you don't want to do anything on the floor. Okay, so when you just come out from the games room, I didn't actually look at this place before. This is the visitor's toilet. This is the visitor's toilet. The visitor's toilet has 2 sinks, and this is the visitor's toilet. Here is the toilet, and here is the sink area. So we are going to go upstairs now and check out what upstairs. We are going to go upstairs now and check out what upstairs looks like. If you are going to stop this video, this is not the best time to, because we're going to the best part of the apartment stroke, villa stroke, estate stroke, everything. Imagine you come upstairs. This is the first bedroom that you see, and this is not the master's bedroom, but I love the fact that every bedroom has its own view.
That's where you belong.
Bathroom and toilet. Guys, every room has a walk-in closet. How cool is that? So this is what it looks like, although it's really dark, but this is what the walk-in closet looks like. I don't know if you guys can hear me because we're outside now. God, this place is so hot. Come, you guys should come, was my apartment, just so that everyday picture. That is what I'm going to name this place, everyday picture, because I'm going to be constantly taking pictures in this area. And you can see the swimming pool from this particular bedroom. I don't know why they didn't make this the master's bedroom, but then again, it's all fine. And this is what the second room looks like in this apartment.
That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home.
Twin bed in this particular room, but I still like it though. It's beautiful. And if you look here, they use like hats for props, which is also very super creative. I'm just guessing like this is probably the children's bedroom, or could be like yeah, because the beds are also small, so I don't think adults can stay here. Then over here is their own toilet and bathroom. The toilet and bathroom for this particular room. This is also its own walk-in closet. It's not as big as the first room, of course. This is like the children's room. So leaving the second room, you guys are going to follow me everywhere today. Master's bedroom. The master's bedroom is huge. So welcome to the master's bedroom.
Here I am. Know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand. I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Like I said before, every room has its own views, its own walk-in closet, and its own toilet and bathroom. So let's take a look at the toilet and the bathrooms right now. It has a shower and a jacuzzi, and it is so spacious. Like I said before, if this was to be my apartment, this would be another spot for taking really dope pictures, but it's not, because we don't have money yet. This is what the jacuzzi looks like. So it also has this vintage vibe going on. Like the whole bathroom and toilet in this apartment has a beautiful vintage vibe going on. So this is the toilet. This is the shower. For the views from the master's bedroom, let's go see what it looks like. So coming out, we get to see the beach. Remember the first room that we went, just the swimming pool area and a little bit of the beach, but here we get to see the beach, and it's a private beach. It is dope AF.
Go back home, go back home, go. Spend it all alone. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
So this is inside the final room, guys. The lighting here is poor. I didn't mention that. That's like the only thing I don't like about this place. They have like really poor lighting, and I don't know why they decided to do it that way, but this is what the final room looks like. I love this whole area. This whole area is just beautiful. Whosoever designed this particular room did like a very outstanding job. And over here, although they don't have, okay, I think this is the only room that don't actually have like a walking out view at all. It just has like a window, but you can still see the beach from the window if you just look out. And over here is the bathroom of this particular room, guys. The bathroom, the same vintage vibes going on, and as usual their own walk-in closet is also here, guys. Yeah, basically that's it for this particular room.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Spend it all alone.
So we're currently outside because I'm done showing you around inside, and I decided to start from here. You could also get to this place in the apartment when you're coming from inside, but I decided to start from here. Here is the pool area, and if you just want to relax, let's say like relaxation area and that. That leads to the private beach. So if you just walk down here, you get to the private beach and just get to enjoy yourself. And here is another relaxation area where you can just come out whatever time you want and just chill, just relax. And guys, it is currently like it's summer in Dubai, so it's really hot, and I don't think anybody will be coming out by this time.
Go back home, go. Spend it all alone. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back home.
So guys, for some reason I forgot to end the apartment tour in person, so we are going to be doing voiceover right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is basically the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and just show everybody this particular video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.